Hi there, this is Gazelle and welcome back to my channel. Today we want to talk about OnBuy, the video I have been promising for a long time. So here is a link for you to go and watch my previous video, which is the very first video of OnBuy. I've talked about OnBuy and what OnBuy is. You can just click in here if you want to watch that one, or if not, you can just keep watching this video. So this is basically the series 2 about OnBuy. In this video, we're going to answer a few questions that quite a few of you have been asking me in my previous video. Hopefully in this video, we're going to answer those questions and explain more about OnBuy. Is OnBuy safe? Is OnBuy a real platform? Does this worth to use or buy things from OnBuy? Is it a real app or a website? Does OnBuy have the potential to be the UK's first billion-pound marketplace and take on eBay or Amazon? A billion-pound marketplace? Wow. A platform which is only 4.5 years old? Gosh. Okay, so for those who were asking if OnBuy is a safe marketplace to buy things from, first of all, OnBuy has got over 33,700 reviews on Trustpilot, which is 4.7 out of 5 stars. Incredible. And 88% excellent rating. And all payments are going through PayPal, just like eBay. It's a full PayPal protection for your transactions. There's no doubt that OnBuy is a real platform. Question number 1, yes, OnBuy is a real platform. Now for the next question, we're going a little bit into details. We're going to explain more. So now let's go and have a look at some stats. OnBuy has gotten off to a record-breaking start in 2021, reporting 800% year-on-year growth in January. What does it mean in terms of sales figures? It means a massive increase from 24 millions to 200 million pounds, with monthly users reaching just under 7 million pounds at the beginning of the year. So all this for a company that has just established 4.5 years ago. This success has been helped by savvy marketing strategies by OnBuy's CEO Cass Payton and his team. This and OnBuy's visibility and Google search or even other platforms pages, when you open them, you may see OnBuy's advertising in a little box, is now becoming the household name in the UK. And that means that more buyers or sellers are trying to use OnBuy and go through OnBuy and see what OnBuy is more and more. To just give you an example, you can just go to OnBuy and search the home and garden section. You can see also the prices are very, very competitive when it comes to comparing it with eBay and Amazon's stuffs in there. Let's just have a look. Alright, so I typed home and garden. Now I'm scrolling down and coming to see what I can actually find. I am picking this pruning shear and check the description, also see the price, which is quite expensive, but I'm checking to see if I can find any other which could be cheaper. And here you can just read the summary of the product, and you're scrolling down and see more descriptions or even more options. Now I'm picking this one, which is a little bit cheaper than the other one. Here you can just find the descriptions and also name of the seller, more pictures of the product. Again, I'm scrolling down to see if I can find any cheaper or not. Sometimes OnBuy is giving you the option. And here you can just see the price graph. It shows you exactly how much was the item and how much it is now by the time. And picking another cheaper one if I want to pick a cheaper item. I found this one, for example, and that's it. You can just find a good product in there. So easy. We now know all this started with a very limited budget, and now OnBuy has just completed a new round of funding investment to help them in their plans and increasing their shares in a global market. Now OnBuy is planning to gain this target into 140 countries by the end of 2023, which is incredible and a good opportunity for sellers or buyers. OnBuy is also trying to use their new funding to launch their own fulfillment scheme, which is kind of similar to Amazon FBA, but we need to wait because we don't know yet. But it will definitely make it much easier for their sellers to start this kind of FBA shipment, what we call this FBA, as it comes from Amazon. We don't know yet what it would be in terms when it comes to OnBuy plans. But we're considering if it's going to be something exactly the same as Amazon FBA, that means that sellers can sell their stuffs to their warehouses, they can fulfill and send it to customers. That means they're going to probably launch their way of Prime at some point in future, which means next day delivery from sellers. These were the very few ambitious plans from OnBuy, and we will look into OnBuy's next plans in future. Once it's going to be released, we're going to keep you updated as well. With all of this, it's too improbable to assume that OnBuy is well on track to achieving their own ambitious target to hit £1 billion as a UK's fastest growing marketplace. So we need to wait and see. They already given all these figures and the stats. Cass Payton and OnBuy itself on their LinkedIn, we have been searching quite a few of their links and their pages. Hopefully it definitely will happen. I think we answered the second question as well. Hopefully in future we're going to give you more information about OnBuy, and if we receive more information, more data, we're definitely going to share it with you guys. So this one was series 2 of OnBuy. Please stay tuned for the next videos we're going to make about OnBuy. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.